Hello to everyone who watching my channel, and today I will work on the rotary watch. This is rotary quartz watch and it's vintage. I think it was made in around 1970s, and it uses all gold design. The dial is presented with kind of gold dust, and there is a rotary logo, date at 3 o'clock position, 3 gold tone hands, and pretty simple design, but it's Swiss made, so it means there is the Swiss movement inside. Very nice watch, in very good condition. Mesh style bracelet, very gold tone, and very slim. It's about 6 millimeter only thickness. And this watch is not in working condition. It doesn't run at all. So I'm going to open and see what's going on inside of this watch. When I said it was not working, I meant that I tried it with battery. But let's try again. No, it doesn't work. Second hand is not moving. And actually, I can see why it doesn't work. Because it's definitely broken coil. Yeah, there is definitely some damage to the coil over here. So usually I'm trying to replace coils, but this movement is kind of unique and I don't have coil for replacement, just coil. I don't think I will change whole movement, but I will change the electronic board, electronic module over here. So I bought the electronic board for this movement, and this is exactly the same model. The model is of this is 556.115. This is first line, ETA, and it looks like the same. So I can see 2 screws holding the cover for the coil, and this is 3rd screw. We need to remove to get this board out. So this screw looks like this. This screw should be the same. Yes. This screw could be different. Let's see. Yeah, it's different. It has different profile. So we need to keep it in mind when we will reassemble the watch. So this, we need to save this. It will go with the new board, and this is the electronic module which is defective. Because coil is defective. Okay, now we can go ahead and replace the module. Okay, 3 screws. Let's put this first. And this cover. Okay, that's it. I mean, we can check the functionality right now. I will put battery and check if everything works as you expect. And yes, it works. It works pretty good. No problem anymore. I can close case back. And watch is in good working condition now. Everything looks good. All this mesh gold tone bracelet and everything with gold dust. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please comment, please subscribe, please give me likes if you like this video. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.